Good morning. It's Saturday. And that means we gotta come up with some kind of project. Yeah, we always do. Welcome to Saturday Projects. Let's do it.
Here are our supplies. We have a wheelbarrow, grinder, shovel, and digging iron.
For this project, we're gonna need all the tools. So we're bringing the work truck. Okay, so today we decided to do away with the bricks that have been here for 20 years or so. They're starting to get cracked up. And Uncle Shelly graciously donated some leftover project supplies from his house. And we're gonna try to put those into this place today. It's been sitting here for a long time. It's time to get it done. So follow along. This is why I don't like home improvement projects that much. It's a lot like sin. See, it looks like you got a little crack on the surface, but there's a real deeper issue going on in your life, and only God can heal it. So we got all this taken up, and we realized that our front porch steps have rotted out. We got huge problems and issues. That it looks like somebody put brand new boards just on top of rotten stringers. This is not good at all. I don't know what to do. I'm not a carpenter. Saturday projects. Gone wrong. It's easier to avoid the issue than it just gets worse. We got to fix it. But we'll try. Okay. I need 13. Okay. So now I have 1 tread, 2 treads, 3 treads, 4 treads. That don't work out. Okay, time to do a test fit, boys. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. I've never done that in my life before, but it seemed like that worked out. Okay. It may not at the end, but right now we're feeling pretty good, aren't we? Yeah. All right, let's do it. Okay. Now we're going to cut this.
All right, we got these, whatever they're called. Dad knows what they're called. What are they called?
Stringers.
Stringers. Oh, and now we're fixing to lay some deck boards.
Okay. So Ray just took up this board. We got to deal with some screws, and then we got to cut a piece of new board that goes back into there, and we're going to work our way out here and finish this off nice and smooth. Hot?
Yeah.
It's hotter than I don't know what down here in Georgia. Whew. Ray and I are struggling, but we're getting there. Told Ray I was thinking about taking my pet fish for a walk. It's so humid. But then I remembered I really don't have a pet fish. Maybe that was a hallucination. I don't know.
Okay, we're just gonna put dry concrete in, and then when it rains, it will set. But we have 4 screws into the bottom, so they're sturdy. Alright, here's what we got done today. So we'll put the railings on sometime, don't know when, not now, because it's hot and it's 4 o'clock and it's time to start winding down and picking up tools and junk. So always remember, God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good.
And sometimes you just got to grind it out.